So I want to run you through another search here just to show you a little bit more variety. So I'm going to type in Brooklyn. I was helping a follower with this the other day. I'm going to type in 7-Eleven. And many of you guys may sometimes want to go buy gift cards to maximize a specific bonus category, whether it's a Chase quarterly bonus or right now Marriott Amex cards are offering 10x at gas. Well, it's very important to make sure that you know how that's going to code at each store. Some stores are convenience, some are groceries, some are gas station. So by typing in 7-Eleven, I can see in just no specific spot in Brooklyn, I see all of these so far are coding as gas station. Gas station. Uh-oh. Now here's one on Empire Boulevard that codes as discount stores, warehouse, wholesale. If I live right off Empire Boulevard and I'm thinking I'm going to 7-Eleven to buy a gas card, whether it's an Amazon card or a Visa gift card or something to do one of my other hacks, and you're hoping to earn bonus points in the gas category, you are not going to get it shopping at that specific store. So you may choose to go another 0.66 miles and go to one that actually will code as gas. See here now you have one on Somer Street that codes as convenience stores. A couple others gas. Now here's one as grocery. So if you live near Knickerbocker Avenue in New York and you want to go to that 7-Eleven, that's where you're going to want to go to use your Amex Gold card or to use some other sort of card that gets you much better points and category spend bonus in the grocery stores. So hope you find this tool helpful. Again, it's in my link tree. I'll always have it down there at the bottom. I use this literally almost once a day, especially when traveling, when I'm not very familiar with the different merchants and suppliers that